Hey everybody, so this video is kind of for nerds, but if you get into this stuff, it will give you a strong foundation and it'll get better. And Pepper's here rooting us on today. So anyway, the video is in 3 parts. You're working on rhythm, you're going to get the click in the rhythm, and then the second part will just be the click, and then you clap or sing the rhythm, and the third part is just you, meaning you get the click, the 4-beat count off, and then you go. Do not just follow the cursor with your eyes, internalize the beat, okay? Keep that in mind. So let me know if you like this exercise. It really can pay off down the road. When we're practicing and learning by ourselves all the time, we forget how important it is to internalize. So get practicing. Alright, did you make it to the end okay? Let me know in the comments. I'm looking forward to making more of these videos because I do think it's important foundation work. And did you know that this exercise, this video, I based it off of just one measure? That's right, and then I created variations of it. And music is all about that and patterns. Until next time, I wish everyone well. Please take care. Bye for now.